So lighting, looking at improving the ambience in the studio, and I've been looking at budget ways of doing it. I've managed to pick up a LED light strip, a 2-meter one to go along the back of the desk behind me, and I've also picked up a budget 15-watt LED uplighter, which I'm going to put behind the TV. Really want to improve the lighting in the studio. I've only got a couple of LED lamps behind me. I'm really hoping this is going to make a big difference, especially when I'm on my own. I want to bring a little bit of coziness back to the studio, just make it somewhere really nice to come and work. I'll crack on with a very quick unboxing so you can see what they look like. The LED strips was only £7, so about $5, and the uplighter was £20, so about $15, $16. Hopefully this will make a huge difference. I'm pretty confident the LED strip's going to look quite cool on the desk. I'm not so sure on the uplighter. I have no idea of the quality of this. It's not along the lines of a smart lamp or anything like that, but with a quick remote, and if it comes on automatically, I can then maybe put a smart plug on it to work with Alexa, as I've got all the other lamps in the studio set to that. So I'll grab the knife and let's crack on. So, USB cable. I don't know how well you can see that. That plugs straight into the LED strip. So on the back of the strip we have sticky backing. You just peel that off and then stick it to wherever you want to put it. That's pretty straightforward. Let's take a look at the uplighter. Okay, another remote. They are different remotes. Wasn't sure if I'd be able to use one remote with both. I'll give it a go though. Two little fixings, which is I think just so you can fix the angle of the stand, or also hang it off of a rail if you're a DJ. So that's clearly the bracket to mount it or to stand it. The power supply is built into the unit, and here is the unit itself. So on this one we have different colour LEDs, which you should be able to change the colour quite easily. You can have a multi-colour, you can have a full-on rave going, or you can just have one select colour. This also has a direct DMX in and DMX out to daisy chain. So there's only a 1-meter cable, so it's not that long. Again, depending on where you're going to put it, it doesn't have to be that long. And I imagine you're either using it as some form of DJ, which these are sold as DJ lights, but if you're going to try something like me and use it as an uplighter, I'm pretty sure you just put it in position and leave it. So the idea for me is to have it exactly like this, just stood straight up behind the TV. It may actually go behind the stand on the floor. It all depends on how it looks. This may look awful, but I'm quite keen to give it a try. And with the LED light strip, I already know I'm going to put that right along the back of the desk just to give it a nice glow and change colours. With the LED light strip, the remote lets you choose a variety of colours. You can probably see on there. We have flash, strobe, fade and smooth, which gives you an option for pulsating and the way it moves through the colours. You have red, green, blue and white, which is quite a nice option. And then you have different colours, which obviously it will use a mixture of red, green, blue and white to make a slightly different orange or yellows or light greens, blues, purples, pinks. Now with the uplighter, we have a few different options for strobe, but you've also got options for the colour, which you can, what I believe, scroll through the colours and set the speed as well. Let's get the uplighter plugged in and we'll have a quick look now before I get it installed into position. So I've plugged it in and straight away you can hear the fan spinning, so I'm a little bit concerned as to how hot this might get, and we'll look into this in more detail before I leave it in position for too long. Okay, so if we turn it on, all the colours come on. You can cycle through them quite easily, left and right on the remote control. Obviously red, green, blue, and then mixture of colours together, and then white just on its own. To be honest, it doesn't seem very bright, but I'll get it in position. I'll also crack on and get this installed so we've got the LED light strip on the desk. Once it's all in position, we can see what it looks like. well, I think this speaks for itself. Links to the lights can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's anything else you want to see us make videos about, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Roto.